The weekly planner lets you see all of your lessons for the current week and organize those lessons the way you choose. To access, click Plan in the navigation banner and then select Weekly Planner. Your current unit and week are displayed by default. Select a different unit and week to view those lessons. You can select a different class from the class drop-down list to see that weekly planner. In the weekly planner, lessons are presented by instructional week. The week begins when you begin teaching this lesson block. Individual lessons are organized and color-coded by whole group reading and small group differentiated instruction. If you click the Planner Options button, you can choose to display the core pathway lessons or hide inactive lessons. Click any lesson to see the lesson details. Lessons are organized in the program order recommended by McGraw-Hill, but there are a number of different ways you can edit your lesson plan. You can change the order of lessons by dragging and dropping them within the day, to another section, or move it to another day in the same week. If you want to move the lesson to a different week, select a unit, week, day, and category in the dialog box. Click the Save button to move the selected lesson to the new location. Another method is to move the lesson to the lesson holding bin. Click the Lesson Tools icon and select Move to Holding Bin on the drop-down menu. This removes the lesson from the planner, but does not delete it permanently. Instead, it is held in the holding bin. Click the Lesson Holding Bin button to view the lessons in the holding bin. The lessons are listed by original group. The lesson's original unit, week, and day is indicated here as well. Click Move next to the lesson to move the lesson from the holding bin. In the dialog box that appears, you can choose to move the selected lesson back to the original location, choose a new location for the lesson by unit, week, day, and group, or choose a new location by date and group. After you choose the new location, click the Move button to move the selected lesson to the defined location. You may need to move more than one lesson to another day. Select the checkbox next to each particular lesson, or select the checkbox next to the lesson name to select all the lessons in that group. Then click the Move Selected Lessons button at the bottom of the screen. You can move the selected lessons back to their original locations or determine a new one. All the selected lessons will be moved to the indicated location when you click the Move button. Click the Return to Planner button to return to the weekly planner. Click the Reset button to return the week's lesson to the recommended McGraw-Hill program order. This eliminates any changes you have previously made to your lesson plan. Any lessons you added to this week are moved to the lesson holding bin. Click the Print icon to print your planner. You can print the current instructional week or specify a date range. This concludes our guide to the weekly planner. Be sure to refer to other help materials for more information about the Wonders program.